Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the LXQT desktop of CachyOS. So let us start. I have installed the CachyOS virtual machine with Bios. So instead of GPT, I thought I should go with the Bios one to give you a good idea how the CachyOS behaves with different kinds of setup patterns. For example, some with the GPT style partitioning, some with the BIOS partitioning, some with the Grub bootloader, others with some other bootloader. So here we are going to use the Grub bootloader and the file system is extended 4. So this is the login screen or the greeter screen of LXQT desktop of CachyOS. You get LXQT desktop session as well as the OpenBox session, because OpenBox will be used as a window manager in LXQT desktop, just like we saw that in the LXDE desktop. And you have got the keyboard layouts here. This is the reboot and the power button. Let us log in and start with our check of LXQT desktop, how it looks, how it behaves, what are the different applications available as default. So here very precisely the scaling of resolution has been done. Best I can say among all the desktops that we saw in CachyOS, this desktop, that is the LXQT desktop, scaled the resolution perfectly to fit my screen. There was no issue. Rest in all other desktops, the scaling issue is there when we are using it in VM. You can see out even the battery management, you can see it is disabled because we are in VM. And power management, you can see there is a notification to set the power management. I will just show you. There is a configure button here. Let us see what happens if it opens the configuration for the power management. Okay, so what we will do is now we will check out the desktop first. So default monitor settings have been applied for the monitor, LXQT config monitor. Okay. So at the bottom there is a panel. You can see this is the application menu. There are no favorites right now. Once we start using the desktop, the favorites will get here, or we can save or configure some favorites here. This is the settings menu, LXQT configuration center. This is your power menu. This is about LXQT desktop. So version is 2.1.0. Very light and very good looking wallpaper. Very neat and clean graphical interface. Now here you can see the CachyOS Hello app is there. It gives you access to the documentation, support and project. You can go through the readmes, release infos. You can access the wiki for CachyOS. You can go for the forum and get help for your problems. You can check out the software. So this will take you to the GitHub and other development pages and the links related to the software that is available in CachyOS repos. Then you can get with the project involvement. You can help with the project in the development. You can donate to the project. You can check out apps and tweaks for the CachyOS. You can install apps. You can change the language and you can launch it at the start or not. So that option is there. Here the toggle is here. Now coming back to the panel, first is the application menu. Then you have got this 4 workspaces. You can toggle between them. It's very easy and simple. You can drop application icons here. For example, I will just show you. Let us go with the sound and video. Let us add the VLC media player here. Yes, it is got added. Then you can go with some system tools. Maybe we can add alacrity here. I did not add. Now it is not getting added up, but it something like this you have to do. Then at the right side you have got the network monitor and the network manager, or you can say This is the notifications area. You can configure the notifications area using the options. There is a DND option also available, and you can clear all the notifications in one go. And what is this? So this is showing us all the connected devices, like example USB drives, cameras, and all other things that can be attached to the system. This is the simple power slider, and you can access the mixer from here, I think. Yes, so this opens up the mixer, and you can do configuration for the playback, recording, output devices, input devices, and the configuration. And you can select the built-in audio configurations like duplex, output, input, and the pro audio. So pro audio is there because my motherboard supports pro audio. That's why the pro audio option is coming up here. Then this is, I think, all windows down and show the desktop button. So all windows will minimize and the desktop will be shown. And on the desktop itself, you got links to the computer, network, shares. Then you got the user folder and the trash can is there. So normally I keep the trash can here. Now let us go over and check out all the applications that are there. So in accessories, Featherpad is from the LXQT developers. It is a part of the LXQT desktop. Then you got the LXQT file archiver. Micro is there. So in Micro, you can edit text files in a terminal. PCman FM Qt file manager. Very lightweight and very efficient and very fast file manager. Vim is there. In graphics section, you have got the LX image Qt and the screen grab is there. In internet section, you have got the Avahi SSH server browser and the VNC server browser. Plus, you have got the cache browser. In programming, Meld and Micro are there. In sound and video, you got the Baka media player, Pulse audio volume control, Qt4 video test utilities, video capture utility, VLC media player, volume control is there, and the MPV media player is there. So two media players are there. Plus the third one is there, that is the Baka media player. Let us try this out. Let us see the interface of Baka Music. So it is based on Qt technologies, and I think the interface looks very clean and nothing out of place, anything. But I have not tried this Baka music player. You can try it out and you can give feedback in the comment section of this video. I will love to hear feedback on Baka M player. I've seen this for the first time. Free and open source cross-platform libmpv. So it is based on the MPV media player. Its simple design reflects the idea for uncluttered, simple, and enjoyable environment for watching TV shows. So okay, so I think you can watch online TV shows also using this Baka media player. Good. Now in system tools, you can see you got Alacrity, the zero configuration browser, CachyOS Hello, kernel manager, CachyOS package installer, Octopi is there. Octopi is a software manager. Then there is Octopi cache cleaner, Octopi notifier, Octopi repository editor, Q terminal is there. So this is the LXQT terminal. This part of the LXQT desktop. LXQT drop down terminal is there. So it will drop down from the top edge of the screen, just like in Alacrity also. Okay. Just a moment. What we forgot is, let us check out. Yes, here you can see the terminal font is monospace 12 point size. You have got the white glass cursor is there. Font is Sans Cantarell. So Sans is a Qt based font and the Cantarell is a GTK34 font. Theme is Advaita Fusion and Advaita Mix. Icons is Breeze and Advaita Mix. So they are using the icons from the KDE desktop and Advaita. So from both Gnome and KDE, they are taking their icons and themes. So it is a mix match. And this is the memory usage, just 641 MB of memory usage. So this is little less than what the XFC desktop consumes. 100 MB, around 150 MB less memory usage than the XFC desktop. You can see there is 4 MB of swap usage also. And the disk usage is 7.74 GB out of the 34.15 GB. So this is desktop that is on the little higher side. So in the mid tier, it is on the higher side. So it is not very heavy, but not the not light side desktop. It is on the heavier side, little heavier side, and you are using the English US keyboard layout. 884 packages are there. Shell used is fish shell. Linux kernel is 6.13.7. So in CachyOS still the Linux kernel 6.13.7 is there, but on my Arco Linux desktop, this desktop, I have got 6.13.8 released few days back. So Carco Linux and Arch Linux is on faster release of kernel, while CachyOS it takes some time. Okay, so now we will close this. Yes, and here you can see the window manager is open box. Therefore, the open box session is available as separately. Then QPS, what is QPS? Okay, so QPS is some kind of task monitor or system monitor. You can see here memory usage it is showing, swap usage. So you have to just put your cursor here. You can see system usage is just 0.8%. That is the CPU usage. Then in memory usage, you can see 629 MB of memory usage. Then swap usage, you can see 4 MB. And these are the processes that are running. So you got a mix of KD and Gnome. This K user, K worker, that is from the KD desktop, because this is based on Qt framework, and KD desktop is also based on the Qt framework. So that's why you will see many KD desktop components here in LXQT desktop. Now what we will do is, let us open the LXQT configuration center. So first thing is, let us check out the your appearance configuration. So here you can see the different widget styles are there. So you got breeze style. Let us apply the breeze style. You can see immediately things have changed here. This is the breeze style. Then you can have the Windows style. Let us try that out. So this system will look more like Windows in the Windows style. You can see here the design of this window has changed. How this drop down menu looks, it has completely changed with the Windows style. And in the breeze, let us try and apply. See how it has now. It has the GUI has become very flat in the breeze, and in the fusion, let us try this out. Yes, in the fusion is a mix between flat and the older style Windows style of design of this Windows. Okay, now in icon themes, let us check out breeze by KD, breeze dark. Let us try out the breeze dark. Okay, oxygen, let us try the oxygen ones. So you can see an instant change in the icons. I'll just show you around. Yes, so things have changed here with the oxygen theme icons. Now let us go back to the original one where we were there. Now let us go over to the LXQT theme. So right now the clear looks theme is there. So when you change the theme, both icons and widget style, everything will change. So for example, let us go with the ambience. Yes, you can see everything has changed. Complete change is there. Arch colors, let us try and arch colors. Yes, this also looks very nice. Then you have got the dark theme, LXQT theme. This also looks fantastic. Okay, cross theme, let us try this out. Yes, this looks more like Windows, but only the application menu is still black. Then you have got the KD plasma theme. Yes, this also looks quite nice. And this is the quantum theme. This is also okay. It's not to my liking. Let us try the leech theme. Okay, light will look more better. I will like the light side. Yes, this looks very nice. Then you got the silver one. Silver is okay. I did not like system theme. Let us try the system theme. Okay, this is not that great. Let us try the Valenda's one. No, this is also not to my liking. I will go with the KD. We try this again. Not that good. Cross theme. Let us try the cross theme. Not that good. Light theme is look good, very good looking. Yes, we will keep this theme. This looks very nice. Then here you can see you can set your fonts. So many fonts will be there available. You can set the font and styles also, and the font size. And then other settings like anti-aliasing, font tinting, auto hint, resolution, DPI, everything is there. And you can change the cursor theme. Two cursor themes are there. So breeze light is right now. You can go with the breeze also. I will keep the cursor this breeze light and the GTK style. So you can have the GTK themes applied to the desktop using this. So you have to tick here and then you have to select the GTK2 based themes. For example, let us try to apply what happens. Sometimes the themes will take require a reboot. I will tell you because here you can see different themes are there. For example, let us go with the breeze is all Advaita. Let us go with breeze. Let us see what happens. Okay, not much change. Now let us go over to brightness. So here in the you can do the backlight also. So backlight is also available. No, it is not working because it is a virtual machine. If you install it on bare metal, backlight will work and it is a good feature to have. This is the day and date time. You can change and set your settings. Desktop. Okay, so background. Now what we will do is let us try out the different wallpapers. So yes, so different wallpapers are available. Let us try this out. Let us apply this. Very nice looking wallpaper. Let us go with something other. Okay, Valendas. Apply. Nice wallpaper. Then we can try this one. Very good looking wallpaper. Okay. This one. Let's try this one. Excellent. But these are old wallpapers. This I think is newer one. Let us try this one. Yes, this is a new wallpaper, and with this wallpaper, your screen looks stretched out, so it gives a impression of very wide screen. Let us try this out. This is also nice looking wallpaper. Something striking is there or not? Yes, this one should look very nice. We have tried this in one of the desktop. I think Archcraft or some other Archcraft or Debian. We have tried this. This is also very beautiful looking wallpaper. This one is will also look very nice. Yes, this is also a nice looking wallpaper. I think I will keep this wallpaper. We will just check out all the different wallpapers. This one also looks very nice. Yes, this is also a nice looking wallpaper. This one is nice. Yes, I will keep this wallpaper. So there are many wallpapers you can try out. We have tried few of them. Now what we will do is we will just close this. We will keep this wallpaper as it is. Then I think slideshow is there, so you can enable a slideshow also. You have to tick here and it will browse through all the wallpapers in the wallpaper folder and make them the attach the wallpaper to your desktop and keep on changing. And visible shortcuts, which to keep, which not to keep, you can do it from here. Next is file associations. So you know what what the associations are. I'm not going in much details. Keyboard and mouse is all typical keyboard and mouse settings here. These are the local settings. You can do the configuration yourself. The monitor settings are there. Perfect resolution setting done automatically. These are the notification settings, appearance of the notification window. Okay. Yes, in power management, you can enable the battery watcher. Battery watcher is disabled by default, and you can do the settings. For example, when power is low, what to do? Suspend hibernate. Let us keep it hibernate. Warning 30 seconds. Level is low at 5%. Okay, icon is circle. Okay. And what happens when the lid is closed? What we have to do is lock the screen. On battery, lock the screen. On AC, also lock the screen. When it is idle, what you have to do? Okay, do nothing. And when idle on battery, you have to suspend. Battery idle time is 15 minutes. Okay. Enable the backlight change also we can do, but it is not working here because we are in a virtual machine. So this some app settings won't work. And power keys, power action key shutdown. Okay. Suspend action key, suspend, hibernate action key, hibernate. But they have not showed us which keys are suspend and hibernate by default. So which keys are assigned the suspend action and hibernate action by default. So that could have been a good addition here in this settings itself. Okay, now session settings are there. So here in session settings, you can choose between the window managers. If you've got multiple window managers, you can choose between the window managers here, and you can choose which LSQT modules to be loaded during the start. Global screen scaling, leave session, all different settings are there. User directories, so these are the locations for the personal files. Auto start, you can add user applications to the auto start, remove system or add system applications for auto start. And these are some environment variables advanced. So we will check it out in some other video, not right now. Then shortcut keys, these are the shortcut keys. You can modify the shortcut keys. I've shown you, I think, in one of the LSQT desktop reviews how to do that. Now, yes, users and group. This is also I've shown you how to add users to different groups, create group, create users, everything you can do, change password. You can do all the user management from this settings or this group of settings. Then advanced network configuration, open box settings. So here also, from here also you can change the look of the desktop. So here the same themes that we saw, some of the themes that we saw in the LSQT configuration are available here. For example, clear looks is there, and these are the themes that are not available there in the LSQT configuration, appearance configuration. For example, let me try this out. You can see here immediately the look has changed. Here too, yes, you can see the window looks has changing. So this will change only the window looks, I think. Clear looks, then clear looks 3.4, clear looks olive, Mikachu, Natura. So this was only changing the looks of the windows. It is not doing anything to the panel and the application menu here, and not anything to the icons. So that is icons, panel, application menu looks um, are taken care by the LXQT appearance this configuration. And for the window configuration, window look configuration, you have to come here in the open box settings. So I think you are getting my point. This is it. So we'll keep with the this clear looks only and close this. Pulse audio volume control is there. So this is what we see here when we click here and click on the mixer. This is the pulse audio volume control, and this is, I think, the simple volume control. No, this is also, yes, this is also opening up the pulse audio volume control only. Okay. And finally, the screensaver settings. So you can set your different screensaver. A lot of them are there. You can toggle through them and select one for you. I think this looks very nice. I will go with the X-ray swarm. zoom. Okay, let us go with the X-ray saw. I think this is better looking. Okay, so we have set the screensaver for our system. So that's it. It's very simple desktop and very stable, sturdy desktop. You can work on it. It will not crash. The Windows will not be misbehave. Everything works perfectly here. And one thing I should remark is there is the development of LXQT desktop is not that fast as compared to the GNOME or KV desktop. So you won't get many features, but what you got, it will work perfectly. Same for the LXD desktop, LXD and LXQT desktop. Both are very sturdy desktops. You can work with them and they are very fast. File manager is very snappy and fast. And you can, though the features of file manager will be on the lesser side, but whatever you get, it works fantastically. So that's it for today's look at the LXQT desktop. In the next video, we will check out some other desktops. I think the Mate desktop and OpenBox is pending. So OpenBox window manager, we will check out in the next video. So see you then. Bye bye.